My name is Rajinder Soni, and in this session we have Seema ji, Ms. Seema Mishra, and Nirupendi Chalia, Fatima, Sarath Mukhabati, Shreya, Preeti, Aditya, Mr. Aran Pathak, Deepti, Alisha, Reshma, Rama, Jasmine, Sakshi, and Noori. And we are talking about the first writing contest which is happening now, which is a completely new type of contest. We have already done 9 writing contests in the past, okay? And since we started in 2019 September, we have done writing contests every 60 days, and 30 articles were written at that time. And it was quite a challenging thing, and people have done it. Now we have more people in the community, so we need to change, because change is the only constant thing. So according to the situation, according to the circumstances, we need to change our system and ecosystem. So what we are doing right now is that we are focusing on giving you writing contests every month, so that you are not having any type of issues, any type of problems over there when you are basically feeling some, if you want some motivation over there to write, and to actually make you like inspire you to write more and more. Like writing consistently, efficiently, and effectively should be your main goal. Okay, because when you are basically connected with the first client, so at that time also the clients will be requiring the work from you on a daily basis. Okay, sometimes when I connected Amit Masih and many other writers in the past, the client wants almost 2000 words, sometimes 1500 words on a daily basis. So this is very important, because uh, if you are not consistent over here in the learning part, you may find it very difficult to connect with the client. See, connection with the client will be easy because I am doing this, but after that, sustaining is also important. Okay, to help you sustain with the clients, these writing contests are there, so that you become more focused, more productive in nature, because challenges will make you more productive. You will have that feeling inside that, okay, Fatima is competing with me today, so I need to just go ahead and do it. And Sarath has passed the bootcamp very quickly, so I should do something for the writing contest, and I want to grab this prize. Okay, the first prize is 2500 rupees, and the second prize is 1500, and the third prize is 1000. See, prizes are nothing. Prizes are something where you are actually getting motivation, because in other systems also people are doing writing contests, they are doing many other things over there, but the most important thing is that with these contests you are actually aligning yourself with your true purpose as a writer. So when I started in 2007, then I went through various writing contests at that time. I went through contests where I won a lot of cash prizes. And this is the reason why I administered these things in my in this ecosystem called Digital Entrepreneurs Hub. Because see, when I was starting at that time, I didn't have any mentor. I started on my own. Then after that, slowly and slowly, I found my mentors over there. Okay, I connected with them. I found that I was having a lot of gaps over there in terms of how to write properly. Okay, then how to write your best titles over there, then summary, then introduction, then body of the article, then conclusion with the call to action. So then I wanted to know about various search engine optimization techniques. Then I learned from them that how to go down in your niche, in your main niche, and go to your low competition area, and generate titles out of this, which can be actually giving me revenue for the next 10 to 15 years. And that was actually done. I got help. Okay, they trained me, they charged me, they trained me, but now I'm imparting all these trainings over here in the system, because whatever I have learned from my mentors, I want to pass it on to the system. This is the reason we have already completed training of more than 666 writers in Digital Entrepreneurs Hub in the last 2 years, and we are focusing on 2 lakh writers by the end of 2030. Okay, so this is a very large, very big number for anyone, but for me, I always wanted to do it big, because I want to help my Indian writers over here who want to learn, who do not have knowledge of many things, which we thank you, which not that knowledge people over there in America, in Canada, they had in 2007 about Google AdSense, about macro niche writing, about review mining, about copywriting. They had all the knowledge over there, but we are learning from them. Why we are learning from them only? Why we don't do something different? Why don't we actually go ahead and do it on a fast track basis? So whatever I have learned in the 14 years, I am parting this in this 1 month bootcamp system. This 1 month bootcamp system is not only helping you become a very productive and quality writer. This is also helping you do your number one, author branding. Your name, your name in Google search will come up over there. Second thing, you will actually create your writer's brand, your social media portfolio of articles where your LinkedIn profile will be connected. The fourth point, you are connected with the writerpreneurs community where comments will not be a problem for you. Getting comments, valuable long form comments you will get. The fifth thing is that you are basically publishing on a platform which is already popular. So you are basically Google is indexing all the articles and all the stuff over there very quickly. And the sixth thing, which is very important, is that you are getting certificates. Any person who has joined the bootcamp, if I will talk about Abhishek Pandey, who is the recent person who joined from Like Minds. First he joined Like Minds, then he took the bootcamp challenge. On the first day, he thought, he watched the videos, just like Ms. Seema Mishra and Reshma, who are watching the videos actually. Other people have not watched those videos very sincerely. I'm telling you this thing. I have seen this thing, that people who are watching the videos, then coming in the live sessions, they are basically more focused because they are learning from the past, what happened in the past, our story. Okay, how I actually wrote 1,000 articles. How is the mindset? That mindset creation is important because for each and every learning, we need to have that 100% mindset. If we don't have that focus, distractions will be there. You need to have that focus, single, we can say, single goal-oriented focus over there, and all the distractions you need to put a cross mark over there when you are closing your eyes. This is the type of focus anyone wants in any type of field to grow further. So those videos where I'm sharing about mindset and goal setting and goal card creation, then listening to the Earl Nightingale trip are very important. Please go ahead and watch them because if you will do that, you will see dramatic changes in your life and career also. So guys, please focus on all these things and go ahead and start watching those modules because those are very, very important for you. The first 7 modules at least are important to join the live session, before the live session. And then the real training starts, okay? Now, the next point is that when I was going through all these writing contests, I created my blogging empire. Even if I was failing, I was not winning in the writing contest, I kept on writing. 30 articles in 30 days. I wrote 34 articles in 30 days, 33 articles in 30 days. The contests were different types of contests over there, like restaurant reviews sometimes mark the spot contest. We need to mark the spot in the map and we need to showcase our lesser known place very beautifully over there. Okay, with the photographs and videos, the places that people have not visited, like small hamlets over there in the villages over there. I was showing those things. So I won in the Mark the Spot contest. I won 3 prizes. Okay, so these things were very, very really encouraging for me. So I kept on writing, kept on creating my empire. So in just 4 years, I wrote more than 800 articles. These articles gave the power to me. My brand built up very quickly. Google was recognizing all my efforts and all the values which were coming through the comments, because in the comments, everything was showing up. If your articles are good, you will get very good comments over there, and those will be valuable for you. These comments were giving me more rankings in Google. My articles started going up. When they were up, then people started copying my articles. I filed DMC notifications on many people over there. At one point of time, I one of the person copied one of my car review article of I think i20 and another car, Swift and i20 review on their website. They published it, and that person was the user of the website. That website was not having any direct connection with the publication, but it was published on their website, so they were responsible for that. So I filed a DMC notification on their site, and they had to Google Ads. I filed a DMC notification to Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a publisher program which is monetization basically for publishers. So they were earning $3,000 in 2011 per month from that website. Their website was down for 10 days, so they had a revenue loss. When they had that revenue loss, they called me up. They found my email from like Google AdSense representatives over there. And then through the email, they got my phone number. Then we talked on the phone. And then they told us that, sir, please take it back, because of this, our whole site is down. We can see that how valuable you are as a writer when you're writing online. You have your copyright. You can claim anything over there. You can sue any person who is copying your content. And I will tell you the ways how to do that if someone is copying your content. Okay. The one best way is to take one particular sentence from your article and type it in Google and add inverted commas on both sides and then enter. Click the enter button. And you will see that if your article is only there, then it is not copied. If other articles are also written over there, then check that whether the other paragraphs are also same. If those are same, bring them to me. I will file the DMC notification with you. We'll go to whois.org. We'll go to their domain provider, their hosting provider. The site will be down in just 3 days. 3 days only. Okay. So if you are focusing on all these type of things, then Bootcamp is the best thing for you. You will show up in Google, and I'm 100% sure for this, because even Divya Sagarika has written only one article. She has started showing up. I checked it yesterday. In just one article in the Bootcamp, she's showing up now. She didn't have any influence on Google before this. When you're joining these sessions, at the end of the session, we're going live on Facebook. So I always tell you to turn on your videos, because when you're turning on your videos, you're speaking in the camera, then you are basically connected with all the World Wide Web over there. Through our popular page, Facebook page, when we are going live over there, Google is recognizing that this person, Rajendra Soni, where Rajendra Soni is written and his face has been recorded in Google search over there in the cloud servers. So these servers are recording that when Rajendra Soni is present over there and Reshma has joined now, so we need to give value to Reshma because they are into some valuable training over there, or some type of interview is going on. So they will start giving rankings to all the people, Fatima, Durapandi, Seema Mishra, Freya, all these guys will start developing their brand over there. You will start showing up on Google. Your face will come over there and your writer's tag will be becoming famous. Your hashtags, hashtag digital entrepreneurs, hashtag Rajendra Soni, hashtag Shreya Kali Dindi will become famous. So this is the reason why I am always saying that when the sessions are going to get over, at the end of the session, when we are going live on Facebook, you should actually start showing up in the Facebook. This is very important for each and every person who is focusing on author branding. And I would recommend you to focus on author branding, because without branding, there's nothing. Jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. If you want to showcase, if you will not showcase your talents in the best possible way, no one else is going to do that for you. Writerpreneurs is doing this for you because you're coming to us for paid training. And we are doing this because we are basically on a mission to help you gain that. Okay, so let's go ahead now. In the writing contest, the first thing is that all the people who have passed the bootcamp, who have taken the bootcamp challenge, who passed the bootcamp, who have got certificates of bootcamp, who have got cash prizes of the bootcamp, those people are eligible for writing contest. This is writing contest day, like month 1. This is not the only one. Next month, we will have new themes. Another month, we will have new theme. Okay. So all will get chances. Right now, the main focus is to, first of all, become very, very connect with your people over here. Connecting with the people, understanding about all these things, that what is happening over here. Now the guidelines are that you need, all the people who are joining the writing contest, we need 7 articles from you. Previously, there were 30 articles in 60 days. Now 7 articles in 15 days. 15th June today to 30th June, after 15 days, 30th June, 11:59 p.m. is the last time. On 1st of July, you will get the cash prize and all the participants will get the certificates. The winners will get the winning certificates and the participants will get the participation certificates. All these certificates are very important. The reason is that with these certificates, when you will put them in your licenses and certifications on your LinkedIn profile, and you will add your hashtags and your post over there, that how you got them, then you will become more famous. People who joined us 8 months ago, 9 months ago, they are becoming so much famous that they don't have time to talk, to even come to the session. Right now also I called Amit Masi, I called Preeti, and they're not coming. The reason is they're working for their own clients. They don't have time now. Okay, it is true actually. When you pass through the school, then you go to the college, you don't come back to the school again. Okay, you go further after the college in your job and you don't come back to the college again. You come sometimes when there will be anniversary like session over there, or there will be some like important price distribution session or something like that. Then you will come out. Okay, but besides that, you won't go to the same class that you attended several times. Okay, so this is the reason. So now let us go ahead and focus on yeah. Next, the guidelines are like 1200 words articles, okay, and 7 articles, and 15 days for the writing contest. Only people who have passed the bootcamp are eligible. And besides that, you need to also like write an article, which is like while you're passing the bootcamp, you learned that process. The article should be grammatically correct. There should be no sentence structure problems over there. Okay, spelling mistakes should not be there. Then the 4th point is that this should be engaging for the audience. 5th point is it should be valuable. Okay, if it is not valuable, then you will not be getting that ranking in Google also. Okay, so these things are very important. And all the articles, like suppose there are 10 participants or 20 or 25, whatever is the participants over there number. So out of their articles, only one article will be randomly selected. Any one article will be randomly selected, and it will be taken and it will be evaluated on Grammarly tool. Okay, in the Grammarly tool, if you are getting, suppose Sarath is getting a percentage of 96%, and Reshma is getting a percentage of 97%. So Reshma will win the first prize. Sarath will not win the first prize, he will get the second prize. Got my point? Now, if both the persons are having, like in the previous session, in the previous contest, sorry, Ravinder Kaur and Saurabh and Mansi and Sumit were there who won like first and second prizes. One was having 86%, other was having 83%. So all of them got those prizes, and we divided those prizes over there. Now, the best thing is that when you're writing for this contest, this is a theme contest, you will learn many things about author branding. You will learn things about the topics. Have you gone through the topics over there? I've talked about various important things. Let me just open up that page right now on the Like Minds.